Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to report fake item on StockX. So let's just get straight into the video. If you believe you have received a fake or counterfeit item from StockX, you can report it through their buyer promise policy within 10 days of receiving your data. StockX requires that the item remain in the same condition as delivered with the StockX verification tag still attached. Here's the step-by-step process to do it. So all you need to do is open your StockX application, click on your profile icon, make sure that you are logged in, click on help right over here. And once you do that, if you scroll all the way down, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for what is the StockX buyer promise, click on that. And now click on submit a buyer promise support request right over here, and then simply fill out the application. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.